the sky. No more rubbish on the sky. Heavy storm helped to clean our sky. Look at this. The Creta is free from these chemtrails. Om Namah Shivaya.
Hello.
What is your name for your coffee? What is this? Your address?
Café Potamos. Calives.
Calives.
Yes.
Anya, is it good?
Przepyszna, najlepsza kawa tu jest.
Tell us about this flood 50 years ago, the water level.
Yes, a long time ago there was a big flood and the water went at the edge of the roof.
Oh man! And how?
Yes.
So you are not there at that time. How old are you?
I was not existing there. I am 21.
we are talking with Anna that your coffee is the best in Calives.
Thank you very much.
So address one more time?
Calives. Café Potamos, Calives.
Potamos because is the Potamos.
Yes, Potamos, it means river.
It means river.
Yes.
This river is Potamos.
Yes, in general, Potamos means river.
Ah, thank you.